Hey everybody, this is Service Manager Hank here at Solid Performance. You may have heard that I was in an article regarding this motorcycle right here actually. The owner of this bike found that their motorcycle was being a little bit louder than it had been before. They brought it into us to have it checked out, and we did in fact find an issue with their cams. That issue was resolved through KTM's warranty process. If you think you have a motorcycle that is affected by this issue, or if you are just concerned that you might have a motorcycle that's affected by this issue, give us a call. Schedule a time to bring your motorcycle into the service department, give you some pricing, and get a look under the hood. We'll take the cam cover off, remove your cam bridge, we'll get a look at the cams, see if you're affected by it. If you're not affected by it, it's a great opportunity to get an early valve clearance check done on your bike, sort of push that service way back from the normal 18,000 mile service check on there, and give you the peace of mind to keep riding your motorcycle. I would say the most important thing to take away from this whole cam issue is that any owner for this motorcycle, whether it's in warranty or out of warranty, that you engage with your local dealer, be patient with them, let them communicate with KTM as a corporate entity, make sure that they can take care of your concern on an individual basis. If you have a noisy motor, have someone who knows, check it out. Give them the opportunity to fix it for you before something bad happens.